Whoa, whoa.
Hi, morning.
Good morning, another day in Siargao. Today we just finished eating breakfast and we're just preparing to hit the road. We plan to go to Magpupungko, so mamaya makikita nyo kung success yun. And then we plan to go to Pacifico Beach. Good morning. You say good morning. Good morning, Mama.
To the beach. Rara will.
Okay.
Good morning. Say good morning. Where are we going, love? The beach. Where we go to the beach. Rara is wearing her hat and her watermelon shirt. Is it nice? See you later. Bye-bye.
Sunshine high, waves so low. Island vibes, let your troubles go.
So dito no, na checkpoint tayo.
You're shy?
Routine lang nila. So dito sa Siargao, importante na dala mo pa rin yung license mo for driving. This is for the safety of everyone. Even dito sa road dito, may checkpoint. And sa GL, almost every night meron ding checkpoint.
Lift your voice, raise your hand. Together we'll make a stand. Peace and love across the land. Like waves upon the golden sand.
So ayun nga guys, we're back on the road. As you saw, high tide yung Magpupungko. Mali yung check namin. Hindi rin kami nagtanong sa locals, so it's best to ask the locals. So now we're just heading to Pacifico Beach. Ito na.
Yeah.
Dumaan nga.
Whoa, 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 yeah, whoa, whoa.
Hi Rara!
Papa, we went to this one.
Saan tayo tambay? Diyan lang. Ha?
From the mountains to the sea, a place where the heart runs free. Feel the love, feel the unity.
So we're going to eat lunch. Amara Maxine. Amara Maxine. Amara, you say hi. Say hi. Kakauwi lang namin from Pacifico. Maling orasin po namin sa Magpupungko. Tapos kailangan na namin umuwi agad kasi toddler is being a toddler at saka medyo mainit. Tsaka tuk-tuk lang yung dala namin, so fastest it can go is 60 plus masyadong maalog. Maganda talaga doon, white sand, okay rin yung waves, wala lang masyadong mataguan sa init, love, no?
It's already 12:27 and we're hungry. Kakatapos lang namin mag-ayos, maligo. Namordo lang kami ng sisig, tsaka kainin namin yung leftover na crab. My favorite.
Ito pala is yung from Emilias. Hindi tayo nakapag-video kagabi, no? Hindi natin dala. Hindi namin nadala yung DJ. Okay doon. Ano yan? Buo? Ayaw mo nun? Nag-ano na yung flavor. Medyo malit lang yung Emilia. Nasa on the way sa back road yun, malapit sa Pagpilitos. Although yung mud crab na lang yung available, it's 1,500 per kilo. Tapos shrimp, 150 for the paluto. Order kami ng shrimp and crab. Pero since same lang silang buttered garlic, isang charge lang yun, 150. Hi. Are you going to eat ice cream? Yeah? Cute. Bili mo na lang kaya lahat yan. Tumambay na lang kami dito sa shop ni Barbie. Of course, sobrang init nung araw, so kailangan magpalamig ng ulo. Unfortunately, wala si Barbie, pero tambay pa rin kami dito. Wala naman ako ng ibang plano, and we're considering to get rest days para hindi kami mapagod. Okay.
Like it?
Under the starry night, music strong, it feels so right. No more stress, no more fight. Just good vibes, you're a delight. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. In the breeze where the palm trees grow. Sunshine high, waves so low. Island vibes, let your troubles go.
So this is how our day ended. Actually, itong afternoon na to, after tumambay dito kay Barbie and magpalamig, we headed home and doon na kami nag-relax and nag-family bonding. So overall, yun lang yung trip namin for 2 days. Medyo slower paced. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!